Four products Apple announced at its Let Loose iPad event and what you missed. Apple Let Loose event in May 2024 marked a milestone for the iPad lineup as the company introduced some of the most substantial upgrades since its inception. Read along to find out everything that Apple announced at this event. The iPad Pro stole the spotlight at the event and with good reason. Apple made the iPad Pro models thinner with the 11-inch and 130-inch coming in at thickness respectively. More importantly, the new models finally get OLED display with front-facing camera on the lens space. The new iPad Pro features not one but two LED panels that work together. Apple calls this tandem OLED technology, where the light is combined from both panels to achieve a higher brightness while the pitch HDR brightness is still nights. The full screen brightness for both SDR and HDR content is no nits com- compared to nits on the older models. Since OLED display have individual pixel control, unlike LCD panel, there should be no backlight below, and you will see true black while viewing a dark sense. If you often use your iPad outdoor directly under the sunlight, you can also opt for a nano glass option, which greatly reduced. However, this option is only available with the 1 TB and 2 TB configuration. The iPad Pro also packs the all new M4 chip, which Apple claim. The iPad Pro also packs the all new M4 chip, which Apple claim is faster than the M2 chip in CPU performance. The CPU supports features such as hardware array tracking and dynamic caching. However, what is more impressive is the M4 Neural Engine performance, which is faster than the A11 Bionic. Apple first chip with the Neural Engine. The iPad Pro comes at a starting price for the 11-inch model and for the inch acquired with of storage. If you want the nano glass configuration, you will need to shell out and extra on top of the cost of the 1 TB and 2 TB storage. The iPad Air is now available in 11-inch and 130-inch screen size. Apple returned the standard LCD panel instead of switching to the liquid Retina XDR display we are familiar with on the older iPad Pro models. The Air now packs the M2 chip instead of the M1 chip, which should give you slightly better performance but do not accept an noticeable difference. Like the iPad Pro, the iPad Air also hosts the front-facing camera on the landscape's edge, making video call much more comfortable. Additionally, the iPad Air introduced a slightly different blue and purple color option. The unchanged space gray and starlight variant. As for pricing, the 11-inch